How to start up a lifestyle vlog with AI. Yes. Writing out some goals that need to be crushed this week, guys. After that, I head over to my kitchen to make sure I wash the plate that I used to eat. After washing my plate, I head over to the sitting room to make sure I mop to keep everywhere very clean and sparkling. After a stressful day, I got to come here, read my Bible while sipping some wine. Okay. Thinking of starting a lifestyle vlog, head vlog, or just sharing your daily routine, but you don't have a fancy camera or fancy equipment, or maybe you do not even have time to film it yourself. Don't worry, with AI you can film an entire vlog without even showing your face or spending your money on any expensive equipment. AI can write your script, generate images, turn text into video, and even add voice over. How cool is this? And the most beautiful part is everything can be done right from your mobile phone. And I'm going to be teaching you the tips and tricks on how to get consistent character across all scenes, right? The character might be changing the outfit, but the physical appearance will still be the same. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So the first thing I'm going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Once I'm on ChatGPT, I'm just going to paste in this prompt, okay? So this is the prompt I've pasted. I said create a bright caramel skin Nigeria lady in her 30s with thick body type. The outfit, hair and body type should be same across all scenes. She's putting on purple cotton short and a white crop top. Black straight 45 inches both straight hair. The scenes include, now I've given ChatGPT the description of the lady. Please take note. If you want to have consistent character, you must follow this process, okay? The first thing I did was I gave ChatGPT the description of the lady, okay? Then I said the scenes that I want ChatGPT to give me prompts on. I said no, the first thing is her sitting on the bed doing some journaling. The second thing is washing plates in the kitchen. The third thing is her mopping the sitting room, and the fourth thing is sitting in the sitting room sipping wine while reading the Bible, okay? Now, the reason why you don't usually have consistent character is because you did not prompt ChatGPT well. Note that ChatGPT is a tool. Whatsoever you put in, that's exactly what you get, okay? I'm going to be leaving the prompt in the description. First thing I did, I've explained to ChatGPT the description of the lady. I've also explained to ChatGPT the scenes I want the prompt in. I want 4 scenes for the purpose of this video. I don't want this video to be too long, okay? Now I go there, I said use this format for all scenes for the character to be super consistent. Here am I trying to explain how the scenes are going to look like. I promise you that when you prompt ChatGPT like this, you are going to be getting consistent character across all scenes. Not that you generate the first scene will be a different person, the second scene will be a different person. No, if you approach ChatGPT this way, you are going to have consistent character. As I earlier said, if I'm unable to upload this long prompt on the description, just let me know in the comment. I will send it to you. That's the only way you can have consistent character, okay? So as you can see, ChatGPT has generated detailed image prompt for us to generate our images. Note that you can also use ChatGPT to generate your image, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be using Google Image Effects, okay? Go to Google and type Google Image Effects, and you are going to see yourself in this interface. All you need to do is for you to sign up with your Gmail account, and you are good to go, okay? Once you are here, click on settings. Make sure you are on the best quality so that we have the best quality of our images, okay? Then you scroll down, click on this aspect ratio. When you click on aspect ratio, you are going to see different aspect ratio. Do well to choose the aspect ratio based on what you are creating for, okay? So once that is set, I'll just go back to ChatGPT. I'll go and copy my first image prompt. Then I'll head over to Google Image Effects and paste in that prompt. After pasting it, I'll just click on this yellow icon for it to generate our images for us. Okay, note that Google Image FX will give you 4 different kind of image for you to choose from. Okay, and as you can see, Google Image FX have generated 4 images for us to choose from. I'm just going to check and download the one that I want. Okay, I really love this one, so I'm just going to click on this icon and it will be downloaded to my device. How cool is this? So for me to get the second image, head over to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, go back to Google Image FX. Once you are here, paste in the prompt here. After pasting it, click on this icon and it will generate your images for you. This do take some quite a time, maybe some couple of minutes or seconds, depend on your internet connection. Okay, as you can see, Google Image FX have generated 4 different kind of images from me that I can choose from. I'll just scroll through and I will download the one that I really like from the 4. Okay, so once that is done, the next thing for you to do is for you to go back to ChatGPT and repeat the same process until you have gotten all your images. Okay, now that we have gotten all our images, the next thing is for us to turn these static images into video, and for us to do that, I'm going to be using Alio AI. Let's head over to Alio AI to get these images into video. Just go to your Chrome browser and type Alio AI. Once you are here, click on this plus button. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface just like this. Okay, once you're on this interface, click on this plus button. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to your gallery. Once you're on your gallery, click on the image you want to turn into video. Once you are here, you are going to be putting the same prompt you used to generate this image in this place. Let's head over to ChatGPT to get our image prompt. Okay, so once the image prompt is being copied, I'll head over to Alio AI and paste it here. The reason why we are pasting this image prompt is for Alio AI to know exactly what is going to animate in this picture. Okay, so once that is done, just click on this place that says 25 and your image will be turned into video. As you can see, it's already showing one job inquiry. This Alio AI can actually take 3 projects at a time. It means you can turn 3 images into video at once. So go back and upload the second image. Once it's been uploaded, go back to ChatGPT, copy your image prompt and paste it here. Once it's been pasted, click on this 25 and it's going to generate your image for you. That's how you are going to do to get your images into video across all scenes. Okay, so for you to download, click on this place that says create history. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to all your images that has been converted into videos. All you need to do, just click on this icon and it will be downloaded to your device. Okay, if you want to download the second one, scroll up again, click on this icon and you click on download and it will be downloaded to your device. That's how you are going to download all your videos to your device. Okay, now that we have gotten all our videos ready, it's time for us to put everything together. For us to do that, I'm going to be using CapCut for the purpose of this video. Do well to use any other editing tool that you are familiar with. Head over to CapCut and click on new project. Once you click on new project, select all the video you just downloaded from Alio AI. Okay, after that, click on add and you will see yourself in this interface. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is for us to remove watermark from our video clip. Alio AI actually left watermark on this video clip, so for you to do that, just click on the video clip and use your 2 index finger to zoom it out just the way it's showing on your screen. Okay, as you can see, there's no watermark again on this particular video clip. The watermark has been removed. That's the way you are going to remove the watermark for the remaining video clips. Okay, so once that is done, let's go and add transition to our video. The reason why we're adding transition is because we want this video not to be showing as clips, as video clips. We want it to have a seamless flow across all scenes. Okay, for you to do that, click here. Once you click on it, it's going to open an interface just like this. Do well to scroll down and check for the transition you want. I'm just going to be using this one here called mix. I'll click on it. Then I'll click on apply to all so that the transition can add across all scenes. Okay, so let's check what we have done. Let's check the transition we have added. Do you see that it just have a seamless flow from one clip to the other? Okay, the next thing we are going to do is for us to add voiceover. For you to do that, just click on this record. Once you click on the record, you click here so that you can start speaking what you want to say in the vlog. Okay, just click on it and start saying anything that you want to say in the vlog. Once you are done, click here and your voiceover will be added. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is for us to add background music. Click on audio, click on sound there, just come here and type vlog music or vlog background. CapCut is going to give you a bunch of background music that you can use. Do well to screen the one you want. Once you see, just click on this plus button and it will be added. So as you can see, our video is ready. Okay, I can decide to lip sync the voice into the images, but I will not be doing that in this video. All you need to do just for you to click on this export button and your vlog will be exported to your device. How cool is this? If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. And don't forget to share. If you got any question, drop them in the comment section. I will be there to help you. Do you want to turn Bible verses into viral gospel music that touches life and also earn you money while doing it? Click on the video that is showing up on your screen right now for you to learn how you can get started. Click on it before it disappears.